The journey of the golden spice begins here, in vast fields cultivated for industrial precision.
Optimal soil conditions and climate control ensure the rhizomes develop their signature potency.
Beneath the surface, the complex chemistry of curcumin begins to form within the roots.
Agronomists monitor crop health daily, utilizing advanced sensors to predict peak harvest times. As the growing season concludes, the fields are prepped for the massive logistical operation ahead.
Specialized harvesters gently uproot the rhizomes, minimizing damage to the delicate skin. Vibrating belts separate the bulk of the soil, leaving only the nutrient-rich roots.
Initial field sorting removes any damaged roots before they enter the processing chain.
Tons of raw material are consolidated, ready for immediate transport to the processing facility.
Logistics networks ensure the harvest reaches the facility within hours to preserve freshness.
The processing plant operates with clinical standards, receiving shipments around the clock. Upon arrival, the raw turmeric is immediately weighed and logged into the inventory system. The raw roots enter the primary line, where the focus shifts to purification and preparation. High-pressure rotating drums scour the surface, removing every trace of field soil. Excess water is shaken off as the roots are inspected for absolute cleanliness. Digital imaging systems scan for internal defects or foreign objects within the stream.
Manual inspection stations provide a secondary layer of quality assurance before processing.
The curing process begins, boiling the rhizomes to gelatinize the starch and fix the color.
Precise temperature control activates the curcumin, enhancing the vibrant yellow hue. Once cured, the roots are lifted and drained, their internal structure now fully altered. Industrial dryers now take over, removing moisture to preserve the spice for long-term storage.
Controlled dehydration reduces moisture content to below 10%, preventing bacterial growth.
Engineers maintain strict thermal profiles to retain the essential oils and aroma. Polishing drums remove the rough outer skin, revealing the smooth, hard interior.
The result is a clean, polished finger, ready for the most violent stage of production.
In the milling hall, heavy-duty crushers await the dried and polished rhizomes. Primary crushers break the rock-hard fingers into smaller, manageable grit.
High-speed pulverizers impact the grit, instantly transforming it into a fine powder.
The resulting dust is a vibrant, golden cloud, rich in curcumin and flavor.
Pneumatic systems transport the powder to the sieving station without human contact.
Vibro sifters ensure a consistent particle size, rejecting anything too coarse. Only the finest particles pass through, guaranteeing a smooth, uniform texture.
Automated sampling arms extract random portions for continuous quality analysis.
Optical sensors monitor color consistency in real time, detecting even slight variations.
Autonomous vehicles transport bulk batches between processing zones, maximizing efficiency.
Large-scale blenders mix the output to ensure a uniform curcumin content across the batch.
The powder is then routed to hermetically sealed silos to await packaging.
In the lab,
Spectroscopy verifies the curcumin levels meet premium standards.
Microbiological testing confirms the product is free from pathogens and safe for consumption.
Chemical purity tests ensure no artificial colorants or adulterants have been added.
The packaging line operates at high velocity, forming pouches from multi-layer barrier films. Precision augers dose the exact weight of powder into each packet instantly. Heat jaws seal the package, locking in the aroma and protecting against oxidation.
Check weighers instantly reject any unit that deviates from the specified net weight.
For premium lines, glass jars are labeled and capped with tamper-evident seals. Automated case packers collate the retail units into sturdy boxes for distribution. Robotic palletizers build stable stacks, ready for the global logistics chain. Forklifts move the finished pallets to the dispatch staging area. Containers are loaded efficiently, maximizing space for international export. From a humble root to a global commodity, the process is complete.
This golden powder will now add flavor and color to cuisines around the world.
A testament to the perfect blend of agriculture, engineering, and quality control.
Precision manufacturing ensures that every grain meets the highest standard of purity. This is the modern standard of spice production.
Continuous maintenance keeps these complex systems running without interruption.
Data-driven insights drive the continuous improvement of the final product.
Hygiene is paramount at every stage of the washing process. The sheer power of the milling hall vibrates through the facility's foundations.
Experienced personnel oversee every automated step, ensuring operational excellence.
Storage conditions are monitored to prevent any degradation of quality.
Every batch is fully traceable from the field to the final destination. To meet global demand, the facility operates continuously, day and night. Worker safety remains the top priority alongside production efficiency. Thank you for joining us inside the world of industrial spice manufacturing.